And this will go as long as you have Dewalt batteries. So if you're like me and you got a lot of Dewalt batteries and you just need to have portable water supply with you, whether it's camping and you're washing dishes or taking a shower, you can take a shower with this thing. I'm gonna go over this cordless water transfer pump from the company Ecarke. Now, I've had several products from these guys and I have been very impressed with it. So once again, you do not get the Dewalt battery on there. This one right here is the Dewalt version, but I think it comes in several other makeups right here. You can see right here, there's an on and off and a battery indicator pointing back, a out and an in. Here's the hoses that came with it. I already took the hoses out, and you get a water nozzle. They sent all of this. It's a quick connect water nozzle setup. You're gonna put this quick connect on here to connect that. You're gonna have a filter that goes on here. It'll go down in a bucket of water. Pretty simple to set up. Let me set this thing up and then I'll go over it and then we'll water our garden with this bucket of water here, because it's basically a water hose on demand, a carry around water hose. So if you're going camping or off grid or something, you need a water hose with you, this is what I recommend. So let's set this thing up and let's test it out. Okay, so first thing we'll do is put the battery in and see what it does when we do that. So it just slides in right there. And then there it is, a on and an off, on, off right there. We are set on that. Now, the same way we're putting the hose on, you're gonna unscrew that, put that piece on there like that. I did the faucet like this too. Now what it is, it's a pressure fit. Y'all see that? Look at that. And then that's quick set. That side's done. So on this side, put your hose clamp on there. Then just slide that onto this fitting, just like that. Pretty simple. Then get your tighten your hose clamp up. Now, because this one's going down in water, let's wet that up. You don't need a hose clamp on this side. Put that down in there. Turn it on. You just go right here. If you want to check the battery, you go right here. Okay, I see it pumping. There it is. Here it goes. Y'all see that? There's jet. Now this is all being done with a Dewalt battery. We have a portable watering system. Oh yeah, that's working out great. Now it's going through the bucket pretty fast. Let's put it on jet. Put it on flat. Just center. Yeah, you could wash a car with this. Okay, so if I stop, it stops. Every now and then you'll see it kind of kick where the pump needs to kick on and off. And this will go as long as you have Dewalt batteries. So if you're like me and you got a lot of Dewalt batteries and you just need to have portable water supply with you, whether it's camping and you're washing dishes or taking a shower, you can take a shower with this thing, or like I'm doing, watering my garden. This is something I recommend for you. Let's see. Then to turn it off, you turn it off. I still have full power on my batteries. And then when I'm not in use, you just take that off right there. You could probably leave that one on there and then roll your hose up and you are good to go. Yeah, everybody, I don't see any issues with this thing at all. I think this is a great option for anyone that just needs portable power of water with them. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Ecarke water transfer pump. Portable. See you on the next video.